Oh. Oh, look over there. I was gonna say. That's so pretty. Oh my god.
I told her our song, but I didn't tell her. So she is getting I got to see fireworks. That's pretty good. My camera's getting wet. Nice. Oh wow, look at that. That was emailing this to my aunt and having her show it to my grandmother in the hospital.
Oh wow.
Except they have to turn the volume down a little bit. Otherwise they might start using.
Yeah, I'm gonna have my mom show this to my dad because he could use a pick-me-up right about now. My dad just had quad bypass. This will definitely cheer him up.
Man.
Oh yeah, I almost
My
lost him.
grandfather's had 2 pacemaker placements.
Oh yeah, they just get pacemaker.
Well, his isn't bad enough for valve replacement or anything.
Oh my god.
It's just sometimes